Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW 3 Series. I'm talking about generation F30, F31 or F34 and you need to remove or replace your mass airflow sensor, the MAF sensor guys. Stay with us, we'll share everything about the replacement, where it's located, how to find it, even if you have different engine from the one that we have right here. So we will explain guys how to remove, replace and where to buy one from for a good price if you need to get one guys, and we'll share the link where we get all our parts and tools from. Before we start, let me introduce you. It should work on third generation BMW between years 2012 and year 2019, and every single car that we get at the shop, as you know guys, we make more than 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically on this generation BMW we're planning on having more than 500 videos guys, fixing anything on it. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Our mission here at the shop is to save you just as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video if it's helpful. So let us show you what we have here. I'm going to open the hood, and this is the Beamer guys. That's what it looks like. That's the engine. This is a 2.0 engine, but even if you have a different engine, okay, the procedure will be the same. This engine is also known as N20 or N26, depending on the emission. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start guys, let me tell you, we have another channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. You can find quite a few helpful videos. We'll be posting there on that BMW, diagnosing electrical systems, engine codes, airbag codes, things like that. Practically diagnostics, fuses, relays, anything electrical, we will post there. So please subscribe to it as well. So let me explain guys where the MAF sensor is located, in case you even have different engine where you can expect to have it guys. Most of the times you have air filter box, it will look something like that. It will be right in front of your engine. And now, since most of the engines are turbo engines guys, so you have a quite complicated intake system because you have the intercoolers. But if you look at your air filter box, once you locate your air filter box, you will have a sensor somewhere on the exit of the air filter box towards the intake hose, okay, right here, or it will be somewhere on the intake hose located guys. It could be on the intake hose, okay, or it could be on the air filter box, and the sensor usually, okay, looks something like that. This is the mass airflow sensor. What it does, this sensor actually calculates how much air the engine is getting, because it needs to know how much air so it can spray, okay, the required amount of fuel as well. That way you have a well-balanced engine, well-performing engine, and a really economical engine. But if that sensor is not working correctly, things can get really bad, to the point that your car will be using quite a bit of fuel, it will not be efficient, not powerful, and it may not even run right at all guys. And it takes only a few minutes to replace that sensor. Now, I'll recommend to always go with original sensors. When we used aftermarket ones, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, and we had some problems with cheap aftermarket sensors. So if you want to see where we get our original sensor from, I'll put the link guys in the description of the video below. Usually for quick, you get it with pretty quick shipping and good price as well. So now, what do we need to do? Let's disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, right here, okay, you're going to see you have that tab. Okay, so squish here, okay, and it will be stuck guys. So okay, we squish there, okay, and we pull it out. Perfect, you can see it comes out. Now we have one hose that's here a little bit in the way, so I'm going to pull it this way. We have two screws with the Torx. Okay, let me focus. Torx 20 star looking bit. All the tools and parts that we use, again, I'll share the links in the description of the video below. So this one's ready. Now let's go over here, remove that one. Perfect. Now that sensor guys, it has a rubber gasket most likely that prevents air from sneaking in, so it may be a little bit stuck. Careful not to break it when you remove it. That's the rubber gasket that I'm talking about. Okay, and this is your mass airflow sensor. It is a complicated design guys, it's a complicated sensor. In most cases it's even it even consists of two sensors. One is the one that calculates how much air, and the other one is telling the air temperature to the engine computer as well. You can see that's how you guys remove it. Now putting it together guys, it's practically in reverse order that we took it apart. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. And again, if you have any recommendations, put a link guys, put a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.